To show or hide File Explorer on Start next to the power button in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop and then select Personalize. Next, click or tap Start and then select Folders. To show File Explorer on next to the power button, tap File Explorer switch until on, or to hide, tap switch until off. If you tap switch until on, you can see File Explorer in here. And if you tap switch until off, sorry, tap File Explorer switch until off, you cannot find File Explorer in here. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.